Hello everyone, this is Mr. Craggamer here, and today I'm coming with a tutorial. This is a tutorial for the BetterLAN mod. This allows you to play a bucket server instead of the vanilla server when you load a LAN single player LAN world. So the first thing you want to do is download the mod. I'll put the links in the description. The mod author is AGW Geek, and props to him for making this awesome mod. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the development version, the v0.4 version, I think. Yeah, it's on page 25, but when this video is released, it should be in the main post. So, just download it here. When you have downloaded it, you just put it somewhere where you can remember. I just put it on my desktop. The thing you want to do is start with a fresh Minecraft. So no mods, just a fresh 1.3.1 Minecraft. Go to start, type in percent updata percent. Oh wait, I made a typo. That's better. Go to your .minecraft folder, your bin folder, and open up your Minecraft.jar with WinRAR. The thing you want to do is delete this folder, meta-inf. If you don't delete this folder, you get a black screen. You want to open the file you downloaded, the mod. And you can see it has two folders. The first folder, Mac OS X, is made for Mac users. The second folder is for Windows users and Linux, I guess. Open up that folder and drag all the files you see here into your Minecraft.jar. The next thing you want to do is go to your C drive, go to users, your name or your user, and make a new folder called BetterLAN, just like that. Open up that folder and go to this site. These are the development and the recommended builds for CraftBucket, your server. For this version I will use a development build, so the latest one. I already have it downloaded here. So what you want to do is drag this file into the BetterLAN folder you created and rename it to craftbucket.jar. This is a very important step or it won't work. Craftbucket.jar. The next thing you want to do, open up your Minecraft, log in, and you can see this over here. So you're sure you have installed the mod. Let's delete this world and create a new one called Bucket. It doesn't have to be called Bucket. It can be your single player world where you already have houses built, but for this tutorial I'll just create a new world. Okay. When that's done, we're in a pretty flat area. Just punch down a block or two so you can recognize this world. Okay? Disconnect. Then what you want to do is go to Options, LAN Options, turn Bucket on. Press Done, and you can see the single player button changed into Bucket SSP. Click your single player world you want to convert to your Bucket multiplayer, or it can be any world you want, and click Play on Bucket. Now it's preparing the server and creating all the files it needs. This can depend on how fast your computer is. It's loading the normal world, the nether, and the end. Almost done. Okay, so as you can see, we spawned in a totally different world. This is another single player world. Where is it? To play that, just exit the game. It can take a while because it has to stop the server. Quit the game and type in percent appdata percent again. Go to .minecraft, go to saves, and choose your single player world. The one I have created is bucket, so just copy that. The thing you want to do is go to your BetterLAN folder. You can see it has created all your server files. If you want to make yourself OP, admin, just type in your name, just like that. There's a lot of things you can do with this. In this folder, it has stored your world data. So this is the world we just spawned in with the jungle. If you want to spawn in your single player world, just paste the one from your save and rename it to world. Just like that. Open up your Minecraft again. Log in. Turn on bucket. Play on bucket. So it still has to create a nether in the end because we just deleted those. But this is the only time it has to take this long. Normally, oh no, never mind. It takes this long. Okay, so now we're here. We've got the 3 dirt and some seeds, and this is our single player world. Yay. You want to exit it again. And this is just as an extra. You don't really have to do this, but I'm just going to show you this. Now it has ended your server. Once again, you want to go to your BetterLAN folder and go to plugins. Here you can install bucket plugins. Here I've chosen for Pale because it helps you monitor your server and execute commands. Once you've downloaded it, just drag it into your plugins folder and launch your server again. On a side note, this mod isn't very compatible with the Magic Launcher because it gives you a gray screen, so you might want to use the normal Minecraft launcher. So, as you can see, when you're the server operator, you have this. It helps you monitor the server, execute commands like stop or reset or OP someone. And you can add, and of course you can add other plugins in there, so you can write pics on water, for example, or anything you can imagine. Just Google them. So that's the BetterLAN mod. You can give your IP to people, but first you have to port forward or do it over Hamachi or use Tungle. But yeah, now you have your single player world converted to Bucket. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and see you next time.